Hello, this is Robin. Today I'll be showing you how to create a report card in your Homeschool Planet account. This is an easy endeavor which will just take you a few minutes. To begin, you'll go to the Reports menu and choose the option called Report Cards. You'll see a list of any students enrolled in your current school year, as well as the ability to create a new report card for them. You'll see any previous report cards that you've already begun. In this case, I'm going to view the report card I created for first semester for Juliana. So I'll select View Edit. It will ask me if I would like to update anything that needs updating. Since this class has had more assignments added into it, I'm going to choose to go ahead and update the report card and select OK. Next, I'll see a basic single page format. Anywhere you see a blue editing button, you can go in and change it. So I could say Juliana's report card and then save it. I'm actually not going to in this case, but you can make any of the text say anything you'd like. You can even go in and edit the names of your courses and grades by choosing Edit next to the subject button. Here I'll go in and maybe I just want to say 7th grade Supercharged E-Science or Saxon Algebra 1/2. I'm going to remove all the subject names just to show you how easy this is to do. And there we have it. I'm going to review the grades. I'm going to affirm that I would like each of these to be considered a core subject. Even if I've given it a different designation in the past, I can change it to be a non-core subject. But I'm going to leave all of these and remove dance and art and hit save. At this point, you'll see now I have a breakdown with core subjects and elective subjects. There's a box for you to enter any notes. If you don't wish to enter any, the box will simply not appear when you print. But if you'd like to give the traditional "is listening well" or, as my report cards always said, "could stand to listen more," you can enter that in the notes box. Then I'm going to select Save so that I have my report card stored. Now, if I forgot to print and would like to go into print at any time, all I need to do is to choose the option to print from the lower left-hand corner, give permission to my browser, and then answer the questions of my particular browser software. That's all there is to it. Let us know if you have any questions, and have a great day. Thanks so much for being a Homeschool Planet subscriber. Bye-bye.